When musicians talk about half and quarter note, it can be quite confusing. Adults are always so complicated. Ahoy little music sailors, my name is João Ramalheiro. I'm a music teacher, Microsoft expert educator, entrepreneur and founder at Classplash, and I'm dedicated in helping you out with an engaging experience. And this little friend here will help us. He's a music nerd and he loves to travel between our worlds. Say ahoy to our young music sailors!
Ahoy!
So what are we waiting for? Let's dive right into the world of music. Let's Classplash! When we talk about half and quarter note, we will just focus our attention at the note value or note duration. And in the world of music, we have to meet the Rhythmiacs for that. They are crazy fellows who live in Rhythmic Village and they represent the note value or note duration. And their names, syllables, are based on a method of a very wise pedagogue called Zoltan Kodaly. Now the music notes, the Rhythmiacs, will appear in a sequence. You will hear the syllables and then you can repeat afterwards by singing or by clapping your hands at the same time.
Why are musicians called ta and ta, half and quarter note?
Oh, to understand that, let's go to Rhythmic Village and see a very old script. It's actually the family tree of the Rhythmiacs. This note here on the top is the whole note. We will learn about it in future adventures. It's the longest note we have in music today. It's a simple circle, or let's say a music note with a hole in it. Then we have the half note. This one has a stem on the side. And two half notes equals one whole note. Then we have the quarter note. It's similar to the half note but filled within. And four of them equals one whole note.
Oh, they look like me. But how are we represented in the sheet music from musicians?
Okay, for that we will just focus on one line.
Uh-oh, what are numbers doing there?
Well, this is the so-called time signature, a fraction, two numbers, 4 over 4, like in math, numerator and denominator. In music, the lowest number, denominator, is the indicator. If we look back to the old script, you find the indicator on the left side. Let's think about the indicator as how many times you can divide the whole note, the longest note in music today. When it's 4, it means that you can divide the whole note in 4 quarter notes, right? If you see the number 4 as a denominator, or in this case in music, indicator, it must be the quarter note. And this means that one quarter note equals one regular beat. Now the upper number says how many regular beats you have in one, let's say, room or space. Musicians call them measure or bar.
The only thing I don't understand so far is why does the quarter note equals one regular beat?
Oh, I see. I think I can help you out with that. Let's take a look into the family tree again, and we will now change the presentation of the indicator into fractions. Let's say we have 4 beats per measure. I will fill the upper number. This means that now the whole note equals 4 regular beats, the half note 2 regular beats, and the quarter note 1 regular beat. So the time signature defines how many beats you have in each measure, but also the value or regular beats of each music note. We have made a video in our last adventure talking about regular beats, where we used the metronome.
Yeah, the musical clock.
Yes, you loved it. You will find the link in our description below. Now let's get back to our example. So if one quarter note equals one regular beat, That means that you can put only 4 quarter notes in each measure or bar. The formation of 2 quarter and 1 half also fills our measure, because a half note equals 2 quarter notes. So it fills the space of 2 regular beats.
Oh, now I understand.
That's great, my friend, but we have to go back to our planet. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was useful for you. If yes, please hit the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment below. And if you want to be informed about new upcoming videos, please subscribe and hit the bell notification button. So wherever you are on this planet, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you soon in this different world full of music.
Bye.